Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread using Anoma's easy method. First, ensure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare your wet ingredients by mashing 3 to 4 very ripe bananas until smooth. This simple step is key for a moist and flavorful loaf. Combine the mashed bananas with melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract in a large bowl. This foundational mix sets the stage for delicious results. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry components, all-purpose flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet banana mixture, stirring just until everything is combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough loaf. A few lumps are perfectly fine and often result in a more tender texture. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect banana bread consistency. Once your batter is ready, pour it into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. After baking, let the bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack. Cooling completely ensures a clean slice and the best flavor. Your delicious banana bread is now ready to enjoy. Feel free to customize it with additions like chocolate chips, walnuts, or pecans before baking. This bread is perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days or freeze slices for longer enjoyment. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check out the description below. Thanks for watching and happy baking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.